GVSHINE 30W Panel Foldable Solar Panel Lighting Kit, Solar Home DC System Kit for Emergency, Hurricane, Power Outage with 4 USB Solar Charger LED light bulb, and 5 cell phone charger 5 V2A output. New design emergency power supply. Keep your ordinary electricity need in that hurricane, snowstorm time, combine the charging and lighting with anti-reflective and high transparency. This is a completely independent off-grid power system. Full accessory easy install power includes 110V 30W flexible solar panel plus 1 solar DC system plus 2x2W LED plus 2x3W LED plus 2 for iPhone 4 and 8 adapter plus 3 cord. Meet whole ordinary electricity need, no any added cost. Genuine energy conservation and environmental protection. Waterproof multi-purpose solar flexed panel can be mounted on a curved roof, RV, travel trailer, van, truck, boat, cabin, tent or any other irregular surface. High waterproof grade. Never worry about rainy, hurricane, snowstorm outdoor using. Fast charge ports and bright bulbs. The 5 V2A output is a universal charge port, can quickly charge your cell phone, digital devices, power bank, fan etc. The multiple outlets enable several LED bulbs working at the same time. Powerful lightweight solar kit. Full kit only 9.9 pounds. Easy installation. Working time 2x2W bulbs 13 to 14 hours, 2x3W bulbs 10 to 12 hours, 4 bulbs 8 to 9 hours. Widely applied to the wild, home, outdoor such as patio, garden, outdoor party, camping, snack street etc. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.